Hi everyone, this is Fred from 4x4 Shop. Today we install our 12-inch Android headrest in a Mercedes GL. So everything is set on Mercedes menu, as you can see.
Welcome to the Rebellion raid.
Right now we have the sound through the auxiliary of the unit.
Don't tell anyone.
The unit is fully touch based on Android. Basically you can go to any apps, download apps, and you can use USB SD card and HDMI, and also auxiliaries there. That's how we connected to the auxiliary of the car to have the sound through the speakers of the GL. So we can go to video. That's playing from the USB. And you can see the response of the unit. It's like super fast. And it's super slim look. Really thin shape. And you can install them in any type of vehicle, and you can change the menu to any type of German car basically. So I'm going back to main menu. Let's say if you have an Audi, you can change it to Audi menu. Here in the setting you can set the opening logo, or you can go to theme, and then you can go to that's the Audi. This is another BMW. That's the normal one. This is Lexus. That's BMW, or you can choose Land Rover. If you're interested to get these type of DVD players, you can give us a call at 905-604-4294, or you can buy them online at 4x4shop.ca. Thank you and have a great day.